Did you know AI can help you create and sell digital art without any design skills? That's right, you don't need to be a Photoshop pro or a sketching savant to cash in on the booming world of digital art. AI is changing the game, making it easier than ever to turn your creative ideas into passive income streams. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of AI art, exploring how these powerful tools work, the best platforms to use, and most importantly, how to turn your AI-generated masterpieces into cold hard cash. We're talking about a whole new era of artistic expression. Imagine typing in a few words or a short description, and boom! An AI generates stunning, unique artwork right before your eyes. No more staring at a blank canvas, no more hours spent learning complex design software. These AI-powered tools are like having a personal art assistant, ready to bring your wildest ideas to life. But it's not just about ease of creation. AI art is opening doors to a whole new world of monetization opportunities. It's like the Wild West out there, and we're here to be your guide. Whether you're a seasoned artist looking to experiment with new mediums or a complete beginner wanting to dip your toes into the world of digital creation, AI art presents a unique and accessible path to earning passive income. So, buckle up because we're about to break down everything you need to know to get started. First up, let's talk tools. Just like any craft, having the right tools for the job is essential. And trust me, in the world of AI art, we are spoiled for choice. We've got heavy hitters like MidJourney, known for its surreal and dreamlike creations. Then there's DALL, created by the brilliant minds at OpenAI, capable of generating incredibly detailed and realistic images from even the most complex prompts. And we can't forget about Runway ML, a platform that pushes the boundaries of AI-powered video generation. We'll also explore Deep Dream Generator, which, as the name suggests, taps into the depths of AI to create truly mesmerizing and abstract pieces. Each of these platforms has its own strengths and unique quirks, and the best one for you will depend on your individual artistic style and goals. But don't worry, we'll break down the pros and cons of each, giving you the knowledge you need to choose the perfect AI art companion for your creative journey. Chapter 3: Step-by-Step Guide to Making Money with AI Art. Now for the fun part, turning those AI-generated masterpieces into profit. First things first, we'll walk you through the process of generating your first piece of AI art, step by step, using one of the platforms we discussed earlier. Once you've got some stunning artwork ready to go, it's time to unleash it upon the world. We'll dive into the best online marketplaces for selling your digital creations, including popular platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and even the exciting world of NFTs on OpenSea. Don't worry, we'll demystify the process of listing your art, setting prices, and navigating the ins and outs of each platform. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also explore additional avenues for monetizing your AI art, like print-on-demand services for physical products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters, and how to attract commissions for custom AI-generated artwork. Chapter 4: Your AI art hustle starts now. So there you have it, a crash course on the exciting world of AI art and how you can leverage its power to generate passive income. Remember, this is just the beginning. The world of AI is constantly evolving with new tools and techniques emerging all the time. By staying curious, experimenting, and honing your skills, you can ride this wave of innovation and turn your creative passions into a sustainable source of income. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all things AI, automation, and passive income. And be sure to let me know in the comments which AI art platform you're most excited to try out. Now go forth and create. Chapter 5: Outro. So, we've covered a lot of ground here. It's clear to see, AI art isn't just some tech demo anymore. It's a legitimate creative outlet and a potential goldmine if you know how to navigate it. The tech is getting more powerful by the day, and the possibilities are pretty much limitless. What I'm really interested in seeing is how people like you take this technology and push it even further. We've seen what these tools can do, but the real magic happens when human creativity meets AI ingenuity. I'm talking about mind-blowing art, new forms of expression, and innovative ways to monetize that we haven't even thought of yet. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for AI art.